What's up guys? It's Mike and Pen for another video. Grabe, nakakamiss ulit mag-vlog. Puro ano tayo ngayon eh. Actually puro bike vlog tayo, bike contents tayo. Nahuhumaling ako ngayon sa pagbabike ulit. So, pero ngayong video, magkakabit tayo ng ano natin, piyesa ng motor. So here it is guys. We have 20 by 15 mm. For PCX actually to, pang PCX talaga siya. So 20 by 15 according to the Facebook forums ng S125, ito daw yung pwedeng gamitin. So Koso brand, 19 grams kasi ang stock ng Best Buy is 19 grams. So ayan. While sa belt naman, ginamit natin is Mitsuba. Actually nabili ko to sa Lazada. Ayan, for Piaggio S125 to guys. Ayan, 125cc. Dahil maulan ngayon, ayan, tag-ulan ngayon, hindi tayo makapag-bike. So, ito kasi nagpa-flat lagi itong motor ko, itong Vespa natin. So, kakalasin ko rin, tsaka lilinisin ko na rin yung ano niya, yung preno niya. Kasi naka-drum brakes pa to eh. So, lilinisin na rin natin yan. Madali lang tong isa eh. Yung isa kailangan ng ano. Kasi, yan, kalas na agad siya. Ayan, kalas na. Kalawang na rin siya. Kalas ko na sa block. Ito. Kalasin natin to. Ayun, nabaklas na natin. Yan, bigat pala ng pipe na ito. Grabe. Kalas na. Ayan na. Kailangan din natin to luwagan guys. As can you see guys, yan kinalawang mo. Nahirapan akong baklasin. Ginamitan ko siya ng rubber mallet. Ayan. It's rusty. Makapal pa naman. So kailangan na natin linisan. Ayan. We can reuse it. And we will clean this. See that? That's why it's stuck. Guys, puproceed na tayo. Kakalasin natin tong airbox. Tapos kakalasin natin tong crankcase. Ayan, uulan na naman. So the reason why I will change the ball because of this. See that? This belt. I will change it also because you see that? It has lines. Because this motorcycle is 3 years. 3 years ba? Oh yeah, 3 years. But I don't use it often. So it has 6,000 mileage. But this time I will use it. So we will travel. Wala pa naman siyang kalog guys. Kaya goods pa to. 19 grams. So this is the stock one. So hindi rin natin siya masisukat ng super accurate because wala naman tayong pang caliper. So by mata na lang. So yan. Same lang naman sila. Same lang. Kasi ito walang kalugo. Wala siyang kalug. Ito may kalug na. Ayun. Pakinggan niyo. Ayun, naririnig niyo ba? Yung iba may kalug na. Yan yung maingay siguro. Ayun oh. May kalug na lahat actually. So ito wala oh. Walang kalug. So yan. Salpak na natin. So this one is the first one to put in. Put the ball, fly ball and the cover. Then you can put it now. Slide it. This is the next one. So let's put it. Then the clutch. Put it. Then the belt. So, cleaned and reinstall. But we will put some grease here because it's stacking because of the rust. So, yeah. So, this is the drum brakes that I cleaned. And I already go to the vulcanizing shop. Then nagpa-practice lang talaga ako mag-English sa mga contents ko para pang-international. So, this is the butas. So, it's already vulcanized. And the brakes are cleaned. Yes. Subukan na natin siya, guys. Moment of truth. Wala pa akong gas, Kailangan na rin palitan yung battery. Nag-starting na. Okay na siya. Goods. So abangan nyo sa susunod natin vlog. I-ride naman natin. Let's go.